Here, buddy. Here you go. Some bread for you. 2017, all these vegan people being so picky. Even the homeless dogs. Clean bread, no poison, free of charge. Nope, no bread for y'all. Oh my gosh.
Aside from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Look at this. Good afternoon, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all having a great week. So today we're doing something a little bit different than what most people probably thought I would be doing. To be honest, it's even different than what I thought I would be doing. So today I'm going to be feeding homeless dogs. I just went and bought 25 pieces of, like, it's called French bread. It's like little loaves. And I'm going to try to find 25 homeless dogs and feed them bread. Hey, buddy. Come here. Hey. Come here. Merry Christmas. Hey, buddy. Want some bread? Come here. Come here. Here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, buddy. I don't think you're homeless, sorry. No bread for you. Hey, buddy. Hey, some bread? Come here. Sorry, you're peeing. You can take your time.
A few moments later.
Come here. No. Okay, well, nice talking to you. Gosh, I'm getting turned down a lot today. I mean, I'm used to it, but just kidding. Well, but am I? Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Merry Christmas. Here, save it for later if you want. Where in the world am I? I have no idea. Yeah, I'm turning around. I feel like I'm somewhere where everyone knows each other, and if you don't know each other, you get like robbed or killed or something. Come here. Come here. Here, take it. No, be nice. Here, there's enough for everyone. Stop, don't fight. Hello, like, oh, I'm gone. Oh, look, he's going home. Take it home, buddy. The bread was too big, wouldn't fit through the hole. Hey, buddy. Get out of the road. Here. Take it. Come here. There you go, buddy. What's he eating? Oh, he's eating a bone. Here, buddy. Come get it. Trust. Come on. Come here. Merry Christmas. Is that a dog? It is a dog. Hey, buddy. Hey. Here, buddy. Here you go. Here. Hey, buddy. Merry Christmas. Bye, buddy. Oh, you got a little puppy. Come here. Come here. Here you go. Hey, puppy. Puppies. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, puppy. Here you go. Two dogs are really confused. Like, they don't know what I'm doing. This lady probably thinks I'm crazy. Hey, buddy. Here you go. Bread, don't run. Want some? Come here. Come here. Merry Christmas. Here, come back for that later, okay? Come here. There you go. Seriously, buddy? Oh, there's 2 dogs, actually. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come buddy. Here. Merry Christmas. Take it. It's bread. You can eat it. I promise. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. Seriously? Don't be a jerk. Oh, one bag's gone. Hold on, buddy. Here. Merry Christmas. Bye, guys. Uh-oh. I don't think you're homeless and you're not supposed to be running around with that thing on. See, I would love to encourage someone else to go do something nice for someone. And if you're not a big fan of people, I mean, go feed some homeless dogs. Like, who doesn't like dogs? Hey, buddy. Here. Here. Here, buddy. Some bread. Uh-oh. No bread for you. See, what are you doing? Stop! Oh my goodness. What's up with these dogs chasing me? I'm trying to be nice. Here you go. Merry Christmas. See? Oh, little puppy. Oh, looks like little girl. Hey, puppy. Come here. We have bread for you too. Just because you're small doesn't mean you don't get bread. People probably think I'm the fattest person in the world. I'm driving around with a bag full of bread and half-eaten bread in my hand. Buddy, here you go. Let's see where we can get some more homeless dogs. There we go. Oh, we got some more puppies. Puppies, 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 puppies for days. Here you go. You hungry? Here you go. Food. Here you go. Bye, guys. Here. Take it. Merry Christmas. Here you go, buddy. Don't fight. Here. Come here. Take it. Run. Okay, so I need to figure out where I am. I've gotten pretty far from home. Ah, where am I? Hey, buddy. Here you go. Here. Merry Christmas. Bye, buddy. Man, I feel so bad for these dogs. Here we go. Puppy. Here, buddy. Speed bread. Take it, take it, take it. Bread. There's more. Look at that dog right here. Come here. Here you go. And look at all these puppies on the street. Here we go. We got another one coming. Don't fight, okay? Here you go. Come here. Here you go. Come here. Come get it, buddy. Merry Christmas. Puppy! Come here, look, here you go. It's a piece of bread, take it. Merry Christmas, take it. I'm leaving, take it. Take it, come get it. Take it, take it. Take it. Thank you. Alright, guys. Oh no, that's my last one? Oh no, that's my last piece of bread. Crap. Well, that was fun. And just like that, this video is over. That was 25 dogs, just got fed. So please guys, go do something nice for others. Whether it's people, whether it's dogs, whether it's family, friends, doesn't really matter. Well, family and friends is people, so family, friends, doesn't matter. Animals, whatever you can do, whether it's one dog, whether it's 25 dogs, do what you can. Oh, these dogs did not get bred. Crap. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Take care. Have a great day. Peace. Look at all these dogs. 1, 2, so many dogs. Poor puppies, poor puppies. Hey, boys. Buys? So yeah, I just fed 25 buys. I'm an idiot.